Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GAINZ token. Now GAINZ has the AI part highlighted in the name, so obviously this project has to do with AI. This token is on the Solana blockchain. You can find it on SolScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Gecko Terminal, etc. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on the GAINZ token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol is GNZ. This is the AI agents that 10 times your health on the Solana blockchain. And this token just got listed today, January 6th, 6:30 a.m. UTC time, on a central exchange called LBANK. So one way to get this token would be to download LBANK from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol GNZ, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Dex Screener chart here says that they have an $18.5 million 24-hour trade volume. That is pretty crazy here. And they have a webpage linked on their Dex Screener chart here that will take you to their Telegram or their Twitter. I'm not sure if they have an actual webpage yet. I don't see one linked on here. There is, it just keeps bringing me to a link tree. So maybe they're working on the web page here. But their Telegram that you could follow is at GAINZ. And be aware that GAINZ is spelled GAINZ. GAINZ with a Y at the end, .dotxyz on Telegram. They only have 8 subscribers on there, but you can preview the channel before joining. They also have a different one here, gAINzy on TG, which has 5 subscribers. So there's not a lot of, maybe they're brand new Telegrams here, but there's definitely not a lot of followers there on the Telegram. Now their Twitter, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. Now this token was created on pump.fund. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And you can find that on the Twitter right here. So if you wanted to get this token off a decentralized exchange like RAYDIUM, there is a big RAYDIUM liquidity pool. You can get this token. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, a Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you would fund that wallet with Sol. So first of all, you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol, and you could do that from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, and then you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their Twitter right here. You probably will not have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. So they have some info though on the Twitter here, even though they don't have a web page here. So it talks about 4 things. So it says there's 4 ways to level up your life. Number 1, personalized fitness plans. You can get custom gym plans that match your goals and achieve video-guided workouts and artificial intelligence that learns what works for you. Your train smarter. So they have here also body scans and analysis. It says upload a photo and the GAINZ agent will scan your body to estimate composition, muscle mass, body type, and more. Tailored insights at your fingertips. Your journey becomes a story that you can showcase. Nutrition made simple. So not just counting calories, these agents will help you optimize meals for your goals, whether you're gaining muscle, losing weight, or simply feeling more energized. Send a pic of your meal, and your agent calculates the macros, telling you if you're not getting the right nutrition. Now, this token is up 13.1% today, and $18.4 million 24-hour trading volume today with 23,552 transactions in the past 24 hours. Their market cap and fully diluted valuation right now is $47.6 million. They have $1.1 million worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to Dex Screener here, 99.93% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price today about 4.75 cents per token. And this token pair was actually just created on RAYDIUM 1 day, 5 hours ago. So this is a very brand new token here. They have a quick audit too as well. And it says contract is verified. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable, no freezable contract, and no other risks. And it says here that they have a total and circulating supply of 1 billion tokens. 6,180 holders according to Dex Tools here. So GAINZ, or gAInzy, they also go by gAInzy, is a swarm of AI health agents designed to revolutionize your fitness, productivity, and career. Backed by cutting-edge AI prowess and research, GAINZ delivers personalized workout plans, nutrition advice, motivation, and health tracking, all accessible via Twitter and WhatsApp. The gAInzy token powers this swarm, enabling users to query AI agents and unlock their full potential. With features like guided exercise videos, voice note support, and daily updates, it's your ultimate fitness companion. Coming soon will be AI body scanning, pulse wearable integration, and tailored health metrics. GAINZ evolves with you, helping you 10 times your goals effortlessly. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.